Introducing GearChain Sync with Microsoft OneDrive. First, you should log in with your Microsoft account. Once logged in from your dashboard, go to Import, Export. Then click the Export tile. You'll see three options. Select OneDrive and then hit Continue. If you're on a personal Microsoft account, you can export the latest data over to your OneDrive. Each export will create a new Excel file. Wait for the export to complete. Head over to your OneDrive to see the Excel file. If you're using a business Microsoft account, such as Microsoft 365, you can view changes to your form in real time through the connected real-time product Excel file. Let's use the item in row 5 of this sheet as an example. In GearChain, navigate to Product, then click Add/Update Product. Enter the barcode. For this product, we will change the quantity to increase by 8. Hit Save, then head back to your OneDrive files. Click on the Real-Time Products sheet. And here we can see the changes made. There is now a current stock of 10 as opposed to 2 previously. And that's how to sync your GearChain data with Microsoft OneDrive.